Hi, good afternoon. In the today's class, we are learning about the index and hashing. In the last class, you learned up to third unit. For the last concept, you learned about the normalization scenario. In the today's, we are going for the fourth unit. Under the fourth unit, we are learning about index and hashing. Now, it is a very important for your hashing. Actually, this is a hashing concept you learn under the data structures in third semester. Now, the main purpose of searching the data, very fast purpose we are going for under the database management system. Now, if you are going for under the index and hashing, what are the concepts we are learning? We are learning the order indices, B plus trace, index files, B tree index files, multi-access, multi-key access, then static hashing and the dynamic hashing is a very important topic from under your hashing concept. For the LAQ, damn sure they will raise this question for your university theory exam. Now the comparing the final topic under the hashing, we are having the order index and the hashing bitmap indices will be there. Now if you are going for the basic concepts under the index hashing, we are having the basic mechanism used to speed up access the data. The main purpose for index means to speed up the access the data or retrieving the very fast when you are searching the data purpose. We are going for index. Suppose if you want to take the example for the author catalogs is available, the catalog is available in the library. If you want to find out the author name, easily we can find out the author name with the help of index. Now under the index file, it can consists search key and a pointer will be there. Search key and pointer will be there. With the help of the search key, easily we can find out the file or record. Now if you are going for index files are typically such smaller than the original files. Basic kinds of index files will be there, order index and the hash index will be there. Now if you are talking about the index files are typically much smaller than the original files. Means maybe here we are having, it is categorized two types will be there, order index and the hashing index will be there. Under the order indices, we are having the search key will be available. Under the search key, it stores the order. Under the search key, it will be stored in the sorted order will be sorted order will be there under the search key under the order indices. Coming to hash index, under the hash index we are having the search key are distributed uniformly across the buckets. Now if you want to find out, already you learn in the data structures about the hashing concepts. The hashing concepts we are finding with the help of the function, that hash function. Here we are so many techniques will be there under the hashing techniques. Now if you want to go for under the index evaluation of matrices, we are having the how you are accessing the efficiently. If you want to access the record, specific value of the attribute is available. Suppose if you want to take the record with the attribute value, specific range should be there. Now when you are giving under the database, when you are giving as a condition under the where class, the salary is less than 4,000 or the salary is less than 1,000 or maybe the based on depending upon the value. If here we are given the example less than 10,000 and less than 40,000 will be there. Now if you want to access, we can access the record with the help of the condition. Suppose under the employee table we are having the n number of employees will be there. Under the employee table, if you want to access the record, the particular record based on that restriction or the condition when you are giving, the condition should be it is accessing with the help of indices. Means each and every record, maybe for example if you are taking as per the database management system, when you are inserting the records under the specific table, under the tables of, for example if you are having n number of records will be there. At the time of the instance of the value, when it is storing on the record, it will take by default it is generating the one index value, unique value should be there. With the help of that unique value only it will store. That unique value we can see with the help of index query. Now if you want to if you want to see retrieving that specific condition, based on the condition, what time it is accessing, at what time it is inserting the record, at what time it is deleting the record, the specific overhead we can identify with the help of indices. Now if you want to go for the order indices, in the order indices we are having, under the order indices, when it is storing the data under the database, when it is storing the data under the order indices, where if you want to store the data, after storing the data under the order indices, with the help of the order indices, if you want to search, we are searching with the help of the key value. We are having the pairs will be the key and value pairs will be there under the order indices. If you want to, maybe just now I said for the previous, when we are going for the hashing purpose, if you want to access the data very fast, means your understanding purpose, what is indices means, your best example for the library, in the library we are having the catalog. Based on, by seeing that catalog under the index page, if you want to identify the author, easily we can identify by seeing with the index. Like coming to under the index, we are having primary index will be there, secondary index will be there. Under the primary index, sequentially ordered files will be there. Under the primary index, the files will be, it will store under the sequential order files will be there. With the help of the index, the search key is specifying the sequential order of the file. It is also we can call as a clustering index. The clustering index we can call as a primary index. Now under the clustering index also we are having the search key will be there. Means we can, it is, when we are writing the query, that query of the particular record, with the help of the index, for the index it is searching, it is giving as a unique value will be there. That unique value we are searching with the help of search key of the primary index usually will not allow this necessarily primary key. Coming to the secondary index will be there. Under the secondary index, order will be not there. It is not in the sequential order will be there. Then we can call as a non-clustering index. Clustering index will be there. For the clustering index we are calling as a primary index. For the primary index we are having as a sequential order files will be there under the index. Coming to the secondary index, for the secondary index non-sequential will be there. The order will be not in sequence. Then we can call as a secondary index or the clustering index. Coming to the index sequential files will be there. Under the index sequential file, the order is sequential file with the help of the primary index will be there. Now we are having the very important under the index files, we are having as a dense index and the sparsity index is very important for your 2 marks or 4 marks purpose. Maybe they will raise the question in university. Dense index, the dense index is appear for the every search key value in the file. With the help of the dense index, if you want to appear under the index record, we can find out with the help of the search key value under the file. Now if you want to take for the index, in the index I given the one example for here. In the index, for the ID attribute for the instruction relation will be there. This is a ID will be there, this is a search key value will be there. See here 10101 is there, the 1010 will be there for instructor ID will be there, the index ID with the help of this instructor ID will be there. Means 10101 is a instructor ID. Again under the instructor table we are having 10101 will be there. Now with the help of this instructor ID, when you are finding the record, the particular record under the instructor table, see here. Now with the help of the search key it is pointing to the second record. When you are finding the 10101, the Srinivas is a computer science department, his salary is 65,000. Again it is pointing to the second record. It is possible under the dense. Dense record is appear for the every search key value in the file. The dense record, it is finding with the help of every search key. Now if you are taking as a 15, Then this is the employee ID or instructor ID. This instructor ID is relation with the help of Mozart. He was a department of the music department. He was earning the salary of the 40,000. Again this 1551 instructor ID again is pointing to the next record. Means the sequential order will be there one after the another. It is similar to your linked list. Under the data structures what you learn under your third semester data structures with algorithm. Again the record it is pointing to the second record. From the second record again it is pointing the third. Means if you are searching the records, when you are searching the record with the help of instructor ID, after searching again it is going to the second record. Again it is pointing to the second record. Means internally it is pointing to the n number of records under your table. It is possible under the DENS. Now the DENS index and the department name with the instructor file store under the department name. Now if previously we took as a instructor ID, here we are taking as a department, the department name, the DENS index of the department name with the instructor file is sorted. Now the biology is department, it is related to the crick of the employee, crick is the instructor of the instructor ID is 76766. Now again it is pointing to the second record. Now when you are searching the department biology, again it is searching the entire n number of records. Now if you are taking as a computer science, now computer science department it was a Srinivas. Srinivas is the instructor and the computer science department. Now when it is pointing to the second record, again it is searching to the n number of records under your table. Computer science is available up to brand and cadets will be there. Three instructors will be there. Now it is with the help of the computer science, again it is not pointing to the cuts and the branded. Now based on the condition where it is available, the index position is available in the first record or the second record. Means blindly it will search under the maybe according to your indices. If you are considering as a second index will be there. According to the array we are considering as a 0 index under the array 0, 1, 2, 3 up to n minus 1. Now coming to the under the index also, the computer science it is pointing to the second index. The second index of the Srinivas instructor of the computer science. Again it is pointing to the third index and again it is pointing to the fourth index. After pointing to the fourth index also, again it is pointing to the fifth index. In the fifth index the electrical engineering will be there. Means the data is not found under the department. Means if the record is found under the particular column or not found, it will check up to the last end of the record. Means it is checking under the sequential one after the another. Coming to the part C index, it will check with the help of the random will be there. Under the part C index, the contents of the index records only for some search key values will be there. Means each and every search key is appearing under the DENS index. Coming to the part C index, it is only for the some specific search key values only it will found the record. When the records are sequentially ordered under search key, it will allocate the record in the search key value with the help of the k. The k value it is representing with the help of the search key. Now if you want to find out the index record with the large search key values, we are taking as a less than key we are taking. The condition will be there under the sparse index files. Under the sparse index file, if you want to search the largest search key value, the largest search key value we should find out with the help of less than key of the search key value. Now sequentially starting the records to with the index is pointed with the help of the record point. Now if you are taking as a sparse under the sparse index, now we are having as an instructor ID will be there, 10, 9, 10, 1 will be there. The instructor ID is pointing to the first indices. Means it is searching the value with the help of this index. Now the 10101 will be the 10,101. 10,101 is the instructor ID. This instructor ID is searching with the help of the index. The index is the first index will be there. After searching 10101, then this 10101 was the instructor ID. The instructor name is Srinivas. He was belonging to the computer science department. He was earning the salary 65,000. Again it is here under the first index, again it is pointing to the second index. Under the second index also this employee ID is available or not available. It is not available. Again it is going to the third index. In the third index also it is not available. 10101 means it is searching up to the last n minus 1 record. Now coming to 32343 is the instructor ID. The instructor ID we are finding with the help of the index. Means it is finding under the fifth index it is available will be there. Now after searching that, then it is searching to n number of record. Now if you are comparing to the dense index and the sparsity index, the less space and the less maintenance over the insertion, the deletion will be there under the dense. Coming to the sparsity, we are having as a less space will be there, the less maintenance will be there under the sparsity indices will be there. Generally it is slower than the dense index for allocating the records. When you are comparing with the help of the dense indices, under the dense index, under the dense index we are having as a less space will be there, the less maintenance will be there under the at the time of the insertion and the deletion of the records under the indices. Now if you are comparing with the help of the dense indices, the slower than the dense index. Means sparsity is a slower than the dense index for the allocating the records. Means if you want to talk about the sparsity indices, the index entry from the every block in the file corresponding to the least search key value in the book. Now if you are taking as this is the sparsity index with the index entry for the block file. This is the block file will be there. This is the block file. Blue color will be the block file will be there. This is the index entry will be there. The index entry is the data is a blocking to 0. Now again it is taking as a block 1. Data block 1. This is the index. Starting index of the array is 0. Here also we are mentioning as a 0. The second it is index, it is pointing to the data block 1. Now if you are going for the secondary indices, under the secondary indices, frequently if you want to find out all the records whose value is certainly fields is available or not available, we can find out we can find with the help of, or we cannot find with the help of the search key of the primary index satisfies some of the conditions. Now if you want to take the example under the instructor relation stored sequentially by the ID, we may want to find all the instruction in the particular department. Means if you are taking as an instructor, under the instructor it is stored the instructor ID as a sequential, not a randomly. Now the second example, if you want to focus under that, if you want to find out all the instructor as a specific salary or with the salary the specific range of the value, means with the help of the indices, if you want to specify the salaries, of the range, means we can find under the indices. Under the indices, with the help of the index record of the each search value, we are searching with the help of the search key value. Now if you are taking as a salary, with the help of the salary we are see here, then we are finding with the help of the index. This is a salary will be there, the salary where it is pointing to the block. With the help of the block, then 15, 1 will be there, 40,000. Means under the index we are having as a salary is a 40,000 will be there. The 40,000 employee ID with the help of the reference of the block, under the block when you are storing with the help of the block, again it is pointing to the instructor ID. Under the particular instructor ID, if they are having as a 40,000 salary is there or not there, it is searching with the help of the index only, from the 0 index to the n minus 1 index. Now based on that block or based on that bucket, Now in index record is pointing to the bucket or the block, the bucket that contains a pointer to all the actual records with the particular search key value. Now according to this diagram, here we are having as a instructor ID, this actually it is not instructor ID, it is a salary. The salary, it is acting under the indices. Then we are having this, we are calling as a block or bucket, means we can store the specific value. With the help of this block, we can point to the n number of, it is pointing to the n number of pointers to the under the indices of the table. Now it is not pointing, it is pointing to the specific value. Now when it is pointing to the specific value, see here, the index record is pointing to the bucket that contains the pointer to the all the actual records with the particular search key value. The secondary index we have students. The primary and the secondary indexes offers substantial benefit for searching the records. The primary is a sequence will be there, secondary indices will be not a sequential. With the help of that indices, we are searching the records. For updating the indices is imposes over the head of the database modification. Now if you want to update with the help of indices, it is a very difficult. For searching it is very easy. For if you want to modify or if you want to update that file, every index of the file must be updated. See here, means each and every record under indices we should be updated. The very big processor will be there. Coming to the sequential scan using the primary index is efficient, but the sequential scan using for secondary index is very expensive. Each record access and it is fetching to the new block for the disk, means when you are accessing the record with the help of the employee salary, when you are accessing the employee salary with the help of indices, it is fetching the block or is fetching to the bucket. With the help of the bucket, again it is identifying under your entity object. Now the each record access and fetches to the new block for the disk. The block fetching for this is about 5 to 10 microseconds will be there. For fetching the each and every block, it is taking the time 5 to 10 microseconds. Then if you are having the n number of blocks will be there, means it will take n plus 5 records it is taking. For it is taking the memory access also 1000 nanoseconds for accessing purpose it is taking. For the multi-level indices we are having, under the multi-level indices, if the primary index does not fit in the memory access, become very expensive. The solution, treating as a primary index kept on the disk as a sequential file and the constructing the sparsity index on it. For the outer indices, the sparsity index of the primary index or the inner index we should considering as the inner primary index files. The outer index we are considering as the sparsity index of the primary index. For the inner index we are considering as the primary index. I given the diagram here. See here, if you are taking out the outer index, for the outer index will be there, inner index will be there, we are having as a block or buckets will be there. With the help of the outer index, the outer index it is pointing to the inner index. The outer index it is pointing the inner index, from the inner index and again it is pointing to the block or bucket. If you are having the outer index is too large to fit in the main memory, another level of the index can be created, so on. Means if you are having as a outer index, the outer index is too large for fitting the data, then we can create so on n number of outer index based on your search key value if you want to store. The indices at all level must be updated and the insertion and deletion from the file. Now if you are taking as an index updation and the record deletion purpose under the index, if you want to delete the record was only the record in the file which is a particular the search key value, search key is deleted from the index also. The single level index of the deletion also it is possible under the index update. Dense indices is the deletion for the search key is similar to the file record deletion. The sparsity under the sparsity indices if you want to delete the key value existing the index, the value is replaced by the next such key value in the file. The next such key value is already as the index entry, the entry is deleted instead of being the replaced. Now if you want to see under the replacement 1010 under the Srinivas, under the Srinivas instructor, if you want to update any the salary, it will be easily we can update, or easily it will update the each and every record under your table. Now under the index update for the record insertion, the single level index insertion is performing the looking useful with the help of the key value, and the inserting the record is very easily. Dense indices in a such key value does not appear under the index. Inserting is a very easy under the dense index. Coming to the Farsi index, if the index stores and the entry for the each and block of the file, no change of the need to made in the index unless the new block is created under the Farsi indices. Coming to the dense entity, the search key does not appear under the index. Coming to the Farsi index, each and every block of the file index will be stored for an entry. No changes to made under the index. The new block is created unless it's the new block only it is created, then only it is changes under the Farsi indices. If the new block is created, the first search key values appearing in the new block inserted into the index. The multi-level insertion algorithm is a simple extension for the single level algorithm. Under the indices, the main purpose of the indices is for accessing the data very fast or searching the data very fast purpose. We are going for index and the async purpose. These are the scenarios for the index. With the help of the index, we are searching with the help of the dense index and the Farsi index. Dense index means sequential order will be there. Coming to the Farsi, we are not having the sequential order will be not there. Without the sequential also we are finding. Coming to the dense, we are having, it is taking only for the less memory, is a less for searching the less memory time complexity, and it is taking the less time for storing the data also under the dense. Comparing the Farsi, it is allocating the use amount of the data is required for storing purpose. The time complexity also more will be there under the Farsi. Now if you want to go for the hashing, under the hashing is a very important. Just in the today's class we are focusing only for index. Thank you. In the next class we can see for hashing.